Hi everyone! Welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. Have you ever liked a video on Facebook and then later couldn't find it again? In today's video, we are going to show you the fastest way to access all the videos, reels, and posts you have reacted to on Facebook directly from the app. This feature is super useful if you want to revisit content you enjoyed without wasting time searching for it again. If this video helps you out, let us know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are on the home screen. Now tap the menu icon with the 3 lines in the top corner of the app. Once the menu opens, scroll down a little and tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, select Settings. Inside the Settings page, scroll down until you find Activity Log and tap on it. This section keeps track of everything related to your Facebook activity. Next, tap on Your Facebook Activity. Here, you will see several categories connected to your account interactions. Now select Comments and Reactions. After that, tap on Likes and Reactions. Facebook will instantly show all the posts, reels, and videos you previously liked or reacted to. You can scroll through the list anytime to quickly find old content you want to watch again without searching manually. And that's it! Now you know how to find your liked videos and reactions on Facebook in just a few taps.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!